Okay, so guys, you just want to head to my FX book, right? Click on economic calendar, right? Here's the tricky part, guys, right? You're not just looking for any impact news, right? So you come to these three dots here, you click here, you click high impact news, and then apply. If it doesn't load, guys, just click it. And what that does, it gives you only high impact news. Okay? So it minuses all the other news, and as a trader, that's all you need to concern yourself with, the high impact news. Alright? Again, come to these three dots here, click high impact news and then apply. Okay? And just like that, we have high impact news. It's pretty easy, guys. See you guys on the next video.